Hey everyone, welcome back to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic, how to restore a cPanel backup. Whether you're fixing a mistake, recovering from a mishap, or moving your site to a new host, knowing how to restore a backup can save your day. Let's start by understanding the types of backups you can create in cPanel. There are two main types, full backups and partial backups. Full backups grab everything in your cPanel account, your home directory, databases, email settings, and more. Partial backups let you pick and choose what to save, maybe just a database or some email settings. They're quicker to make and easier to manage, perfect for those times when you only need to fix a specific part of your site. So when might you need to restore a backup? Here are a few scenarios. Data loss. A backup can help you get back accidentally deleted files quickly. Site migration. Moving to a new server or host. Backups make sure all your data tags along for a smooth move. Server failures. If your server crashes, a backup can save the day by restoring your site to how it was before the meltdown. Hacking or security breaches. Got hacked? Yikes. A backup can help you roll back to a clean version of your site while you fix the security holes. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of restoring your cPanel backup. First, you'll need to check your backup files. Make sure you have the correct ones and that they're not corrupted. Here's how you can do it. 1. Checking your backup files. Ensure you have either a full backup or the specific parts you need. Check their dates to make sure they're recent enough. 2. Locating your backup files in cPanel, log into your cPanel account. Go to the Backups or Backup Wizard in the Files section and note where your backups are stored. 3. Ensuring the integrity of backup files. Compare file sizes with previous backups and test them by downloading and extracting them on your computer. 4. Preparations before restoration. Review the restoration methods available in cPanel. Be aware of any dependencies your website has, and create a new backup of your current data before starting the restoration process. 5. Notifying users of potential downtime. If your website is live, inform your users about potential downtime via email, social media, or your website. Set a maintenance mode on your website if possible. Now that we're prepared, let's move on to the actual restoration process. We'll walk through restoring a full backup and then a partial backup. Step 1. Access the cPanel dashboard, log into your cPanel account, and navigate to the Backup Wizard in the Files section. Step 2. Upload the full backup file in the Backup Wizard, click on the Restore option. Choose the appropriate category based on your backup type. Select the file from your local storage and click Upload. Wait for the upload to complete. Step 3. Initiate the restoration process. Confirm the restoration and click on the Restore button. Monitor the progress to ensure everything is proceeding smoothly. Step 4. Verify the restoration. Once the restoration is complete, check your website and databases to make sure everything is functioning correctly. Restoring partial backups is similar, but focuses on specific components. Here's how you do it. To restore home directory backup, log into cPanel and go to the Backup Wizard. Choose the home directory backup file from your local storage and upload it. Confirm the restoration and monitor the progress. To restore MySQL database backup, log into cPanel and navigate to the Backup Wizard. Choose the MySQL database backup file and upload it. Confirm the restoration and monitor the progress. To restore email forwarders and filters, backup, log into cPanel and go to the Backup Wizard. Choose the email forwarders and filters backup file and upload it. Confirm the restoration and monitor the progress. Sometimes things might not go as smoothly as planned. Here are some common issues and how to troubleshoot them. 1. Failed restorations. Could be due to corrupt files or insufficient permissions. Verify the backup's integrity and ensure your cPanel account has the needed permissions. 2. Incomplete restorations. Check for missing files or data by testing your website and reviewing error logs. Manually restore specific missing files or re-upload them as needed. After restoring your backup, make sure everything is running smoothly by testing your website functionality, checking database integrity, and verifying email functionality. Update any necessary configurations and settings to ensure your site is fully operational. That's it for today's video on how to restore a cPanel backup. I hope this guide helps you keep your website safe and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to TrueHost Academy for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.